Hi everyone, this is a quick video just to show you how I managed to get the XYZ Da Vinci colour to run any filament while using the ink system. So I'll just show you now. As you can see, it's all on. And the filament registers as inkjet PLA nature there. As you can see, it's 200 meters. I've already used some just to make sure it's working okay. And around the side, we've got a white PLA on there, and basically I use these little tags that I managed to write with the phone. And I select CPLA and then make sure it says nature. These ones up here say white and clear, and they don't work. So basically what we do once we've uploaded is if we find our file, like so. It takes a minute to read because they are such large files, as you can imagine. Okay, now we just go to print. Again, this will take a minute or two. If you look down in the corner, I had to remove the springs because it was causing some layer shifting, as you can see on there. So I had to remove the springs because it was just too tight. So when it was doing the cleaning method, it was just skipping. Excuse the noise in the background, that's the other machines going. We have got 1, 2, 3, about 20 machines, including LCD SLA and some lasers, the form, and we've also got the Noble from XYZ. Since the latest firmware update, these seem to be taking longer and longer. I've removed the USB stick just so it doesn't register with XYZ because of the serial numbers, so that may be a good thing for you to do. But as we can see, she is now going. And guys, I've got loads of different kind of filaments. You'll have to excuse the mess, but I've got loads of different filaments down there to try on this machine. I've also got some nature, well, I call it clear, that I've purchased off Amazon, which has arrived today, so I'm also going to try that. This is the Snow White PLA. These are the latest editions ink cartridges from XYZ. I think these are version 5, so the expiry date is actually this month, but they are 2021 versions. I have got loads of other ink cartridges that expired 3-4 years ago when these first came out, but I still managed to get them to work. But for the process that I'm doing, I need the best that I can get. So once this has printed, I'll show you the results.